open it and then half put from it. Now put some hot water so that it will melt. Until the chocolate melts, let's make popcorn. Me, mata popcorn adane kamata kinwa chocolate tinokata. Look at this, it's melting. Now let's mix this until it's melting. Chutta mix karanda amarui. Mix kalayaran. First, let's put the fire. Mommy, can you help me? Now, let's put some oil. I'm using olive oil. Ayo, adak oil ready unane. Now, let's shake this. Me pan ek goda barai ne. We are gonna make the popcorn, so let's put the popcorn here. Now let's mix this with the oil. Now let's mix this. Mix it. Shaky. You can see 1, 2 popped already and 3. So now let's close it. Look at this. Wow! Look at this! Now let's put this to the bowl. Now let's put the chocolate to the popcorn. Let's mix this now. Chocolate ekta mix karan chutak amari mix. Wow, it's gonna be yummy. Popcorn with Netflix, perfect night. Hope you guys love my video. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you and love you all. Uma.